लर्निंग ब्राइटली में आपका स्वागत है।
Let's learn about differences. Tutor. A private teacher, especially one who teaches an individual student or a very small group. Next, lecturer. Somebody who teaches at a college or university. Next, trainer. A person who teaches skills to people or animals and prepares them for a job, activity, or sport. Educator. A person whose job is to teach or educate people. Teacher. A person whose job is teaching, especially in a school. Faculty. All the teachers of a particular university or college. Instructor. A person whose job is to teach somebody a practical skill or sport. Please do watch playlist for more YouTube shorts. Learning Brightly YouTube channel. Thank you.